Okay, you'll never guess. Okay, when I started this channel 2 years ago, almost to the day, I didn't have dreams of any kind of success other than just making fun videos and sharing what little bit of information I had with others. But you guys have watched my videos over 100,000 times. That's right, I just got over 100,000 views, and I owe it all to you. Having a little bit of information in the YouTube world is a dangerous thing. Well, that's how I started out, and that's how I remain. I do this for the fun. I don't have any sponsors. I don't make any money on this. I like to share what I know, and I like to teach, and this allows me a chance to do that. It has been a fun adventure. I had a couple videos take off. The Win drill press video, that was probably my most popular video, and it's taken 2 years, like I said, to start to build up a rapport with you guys, and to make a place where you can come and learn about things and watch some of my antics. You know what? I enjoy it. You guys are awesome. When you comment, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, all that stuff everybody says on YouTube, then YouTube notices and they promote my channel. And so thank you for doing this. I am standing in what's going to be my new office. Just started a new series on that. Don't forget to check back in. We're going to finish getting some paint on these concrete walls. It's going to be fun. So once again, thank you. I really do appreciate it. God bless. Thanks for watching. See you later.